In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use appointment schedule in Google Calendar. If you want people to book time with you without all the back and forth of emails and messages, Google Calendar's appointment schedule feature is a really useful tool. It lets you create a booking page where others can see when you're available and choose a time that works for them. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up the basics directly from your computer. Start by opening Google Calendar in a web browser on your computer. This feature is easiest to set up from the desktop version, where you'll have access to the full appointment scheduling options. Once Google Calendar is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the Create button, which is the plus icon. This opens a menu with different types of calendar items you can create. From that menu, choose Appointment Schedule. This is the option that allows you to build a dedicated booking setup rather than creating a regular one-time event. After that, begin filling in the main details for your schedule. First, set a title. This is important because it's what people will see on your booking page, so make it clear and specific. For example, you might name it something based on the kind of meeting you're offering, so visitors immediately understand what they're booking. Next, choose the appointment duration. This determines how long each booking slot will last. Pick a length that matches the purpose of the meeting. Shorter durations can work well for quick check-ins, while longer ones may be better for consultations or planning sessions. Then set your general availability by choosing the days and time blocks when you want to accept bookings. This is where you define your regular open times. Try to be realistic here and only offer time periods when you know you can consistently meet with people. You'll also need to set your scheduling window. This controls how far in advance someone can book an appointment with you. For example, you may want to allow bookings only within a certain future time range, so your calendar stays flexible and easier to manage. As you enter these details, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Your title, meeting length, available days, time ranges, and scheduling window all shape the booking experience for anyone using your page. When everything looks good, click Next to continue. That's the initial setup for creating an appointment schedule in Google Calendar. Once you've completed these basics, you'll be ready to move forward with the rest of the scheduling configuration.